Hi, Jamie. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. Did you do anything special yesterday?
Yes, I went to the park. It was nice and sunny.
That sounds fun. Did you go alone?
No, I went with my friend, Sarah.
What did you eat at the picnic?
We had a picnic. We had sandwiches and fruit. We also brought cookies.
Yum. I love cookies. Did you play any games?
Yes, we played frisbee. It was a lot of fun. I like walking and having picnics. What about you?
I enjoy frisbee. How long did you stay at the park?
That's cool. Do you bike often? I would love that. When do you usually go?
That's a good amount of time. What else did you do? Watching ducks is nice too.
Yes, that sounds perfect. Good idea. I'll bring some fruits and drinks.
What's your favorite park activity?
I'm excited. I haven't been biking in a while.
I usually ride with my brother. We have fun together.
I agree. Do you have a favorite trail?
We ride about 10 miles each time. We mostly ride on trails.
That sounds lovely. I can't wait to see it.
It's safer and more scenic. You should. It's a lot of fun. I can take you with me. I usually go on Saturday mornings. Does that work for you?
Yes, I want to take lots of pictures.
Great. We can pack some snacks too. I'll bring some sandwiches. It will be a fun day. You'll love it. We can take some pictures too.
Sounds like a plan. I'm looking forward to it.
Let's plan for next Saturday then. Me too. It will be a great day.